Welcome to another quarantine edition of Traveling Taylor. And this week I'm going to show you 5 beauty products that I travel with on a regular basis. Okay, so most of these I do use on a daily basis, if not just regularly throughout the week. And the first one is the Garnier Skinactive BB Cream. I put it on every morning before I put on my makeup, and it does a couple of things. One, it kind of evens out my skin, but it also has SPF in it. So a lot of times I will actually mix this with sunscreen as well, so I get good SPF coverage throughout the day, but I really like it. I have it's a 5-in-1 Miracle Skin Protector, and I have the light medium color, and you can find this at any pharmacy like Walgreens or CVS. I even found it while I was traveling around the world in Switzerland and in Australia, New Zealand, so you can get it pretty much anywhere that you get your skin beauty products. Another beauty product that I wear when I actually put on makeup, so a lot of these things are not necessarily getting used a lot as I'm in quarantine, but is my NuSkin Powerlips. So I have it on right now. I have on Tenacious is the color I have on, sort of the darker one. I have a neutral one, and then I have more of like a pink one. They have all sorts of colors. I love them. They don't make your lips dry, and that stays on pretty much all day. So even if I'm taking a drink of something, it doesn't come off, and I just love it. It makes me feel kind of put together, and I have never really been a big lipstick person because I didn't like the way it made my lips feel. So these have been perfect, and they are the NuSkin Powerlips. Another NuSkin product is their Instaglow. It's their tanning lotion, and I've used a few in the past, and I've done spray tans in the past, and honestly this one is so good. It doesn't have a weird smell to it, and it does not stain your hands. I promise. It really does not stain your hands, and it doesn't stain, as long as you just give it a few minutes to dry, it's not going to stain your clothes or anything as well. So this one's really great you can use it on your face, but I also use it on my body. So sometimes traveling, I don't really have a lot of time just to sit and lay out, or maybe I'm in a place that's not a beach, it's more like a city. And this kind of just gives me that instant glow, and it works with the melatonin in your skin, and so it's not going to make you orangey or a weird color. It's going to give you a good glow for your skin tone. So this is another NuSkin Sunright Instaglow lotion. Actually, all my products are NuSkin. Another one that is worth taking up the space in my carry-on suitcase is my Lumispa. So it comes with a treatment cleanser, and you put it on the head of the Lumi, and you do 4 quadrants of 30 seconds. So I do my whole face, so it's 2 minutes long. And I do this at night to kind of get all the grime and makeup off my face. But then I also a lot of times do it in the morning just to kind of get off my face sweat or whatever might have got on my face in the middle of the night. The little head comes off, so you wash it. When it's done, you throw it back on, and it times you, like I said. So you can kind of see how it works, the little head. It's really soft. It doesn't have the hard bristles, so it's not gonna break your skin, but my skin has never felt better. Honestly, I am it is actually kind of heavy, and it does need to be charged, and it does take up a lot of space, so it's not really the most practical thing to travel with, but it feels so good that, like I said, I make the exception. And this is actually 3.4 ounces, and so it's perfect for traveling as well. And then the last thing is my Ideal Eyes eye cream. So, sometimes you're traveling long flight, maybe you just didn't sleep well because you're in a new place. This is just a little eye cream I put under my eye to kind of help with the bags and the creases and stuff. But it also just kind of is refreshing and feels good, and you can do it at night or in the morning. And yeah, so that's another NuSkin product that I love. So there you go. There are some of my favorite beauty products that I do travel with and use on a regular basis. If you want to learn more or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I will post links to where you can purchase some of these items as well. And have a great day, everyone. Hope you're staying safe and healthy in quarantine, and I will see you next week.